Hi, this is for DFTG 1430 Civil Drafting class, and to show you how to set up your master title block with the different sheet sets that are available right now. Typically in this class, we'll be using either a C or D sheet in here, C or D sheet, but we're going to set up all four sheets. I'm going to show you how to do this, and this will be through VDI, the virtual cloud that we have available to us starting in spring. We've had it available for a while. They have it fully operational now in spring. So I'll show you how to get to it, how to set up the different sheets, and in this class you will not have to draw the sheets, you will just be using templates. There is a little bit of a trick to it. We've run into some difficulties with AutoCAD, setting up some of the sheets in AutoCAD and some of the sheets not coming in correctly. I think I found the issue, at least with Civil 3D. I had that same issue a couple days ago with the D sheet not coming in correctly. So I think I've found the remedy for that. Hopefully it will work in this video. You never know when something might go south, but I did it this morning. It worked out fine. So let's go ahead and get started on that. And this will be for the sheet sets for master title block. The first thing I wanted to show you is right here is you can type in cloud.tccd.edu and you can just type that in a blank page, or you can go to TCC website, type it in here in the search, or you can directly type that in. So once you do that, the first page you're going to get to, sorry about that, the first page you'll get to is this page here. You'll have to log in on that, but this will be the first page after your login that you get to. Now from here, we have a lot of options here, but what we're going to be working with, and we focus on this video right now, is you're going to go to graphic workspaces, and that will take you to this. I'm sorry. Let me go back through here. I already had that open, so let me go to graphic workspaces. And it's going to take a little bit to open up here, but remember, it is cloud-based, and I already have this application open. Let me minimize this guy here so we can show you how to get to it. Now you probably will not see these icons on your desktop. You probably won't see those. So what you'll need to do is come down here. There's the start button for Windows. Make sure you use the one up above on the black ribbon here. Use that one, the start button. The one down here is for your desktop. All right. The one up here is for the cloud, for TCC Cloud. So left click on that, and then you'll go to Autodesk. I already put this down here. You probably won't see that. Go to Autodesk, do the drop down on that, and then to come down, just scroll down and go to Civil 3D 2022 Imperial. All right, 22 Imperial. And then you should get this application here. It'll take a little bit to build again, so don't worry about that. It will build. Everything's been running really smooth so far on this. All right, so once you get this built and everything gets generated, like I said, it will take a little bit. Let me go ahead and open this up just a little more if I can. Let's see. This is really, let's see if I can, trying to get a full screen on this, and just so you can see everything, and it's not letting me adjust it as such. So we'll have to work with that. Let me go ahead and see if we can do it over in this corner. Nope. I guess it's at full screen now. All right. So once you get to here, typically what we've done before to bring in a template or a sheet set, we usually did the C and D in the past classes in AutoCAD. And in the Civil class, we're going to have 4 templates. So go to Layout 2, down to the left, down to the bottom left. Right click on it and go from Template. This is the standard procedure we've done before. This we're going to start with the 8.5 by 11. Okay, 8.5 by 11 sheet, which is right down here. And we're going to use the Elegant, 8.5 by 11 Elegant. Let's see if we can open that up a little more and close this. so we can see the full preview. Maybe it won't let me do it on this one. All right, so once you see, select that 8.5 by 11 elegant, hit open. Make sure it says the A and hit OK. Now, as always, you know nothing's happened. If you've had AutoCAD, remember AutoCAD, you don't see anything opening up. It does appear down here, but just let it be for right now. All right. Stay on the Layout 2. Stay on Layout 2. Right-click on Layout 2 again. Go from Template. And this one, this time we're going to select the 11 by 17. So scroll down, and we'll use the Elegant again, 11 by 17. You can see the preview over here. Hit OK, or open, I'm sorry, open. Make sure it's the B sheet, 11 by 17, hit OK. And then we'll go down to Layout 2 again, right-click on that, go from Template. We're going to go after the C sheet now, the C sheet. And that is right down here. And again, Elegant, 22 by 17, 17 by 22 is right here. You see the preview on it. Again, hit open. Make sure it's C and OK. And then one last one, we're going to do the D sheet. Again, on Layout 2, go from Template. And this is going to be in the file of Sheet Sets. Double click on that. And we're going to use the Civil Imperial. Civil Imperial. Hit open on that. Make sure it's the D sheet. Hit OK. Now, here comes the real test if this all worked. Previously, I think the way AutoCAD and the way the first time I ran it on Civil, previously the bug in it, I'm going to call it the bug in it, I would go to each one of these sheets as I made them, and then I would open the next template from there. And there's a little bug in there that if I started with the D sheet, the C sheet didn't come in right, and vice versa. If I started with the D, if I started with the A and B, they usually were okay, but it's the problems with the C and D working from each template. But this template here, just this Layout 2, I think it would solve everything. So let's see if that happens. So we have A, and don't forget to go ahead and center these on your master title block. Center this, and you can fill out as much as you want on the title block, and that way you'll have a master title block set. So let's look at the B now, the B sheet. Go ahead and center that one up. The C sheet, so far so good, and the drama is always on the D sheet. So let's see how that opened up, and the D sheet just opened fine. So like I said previously, there's a little bug of your opening sheet sets from the templates. There's some little bug of AutoCAD, but this is the way to do it to solve that, create or get around that little bug that's in there. All right. So hopefully that was helpful to make your master title block for the Civil class. We'll be using this throughout the semester. And there's one other thing I think I wanted to mention. Yes, there's one other thing I wanted to mention, and that we're going to go ahead and add another sheet. So we'll have A, B, C, and D, and we're going to add an E sheet into this. Typically in Civil, they will typically work maybe on a C in rare occasions. Usually it's on a D or E sheet, just because the vast spans of the drawings or the area that they're covering. You know, large roadways or sections of ground. So they'll usually use the larger sheets. So let's go ahead and add one more sheet on here, and let's go ahead and right click again on Layout 2, right click, go from Template, and now we're going to scroll down here and we'll see the 34 by 44 Elegant. All right, 34 by 44, and hit open on that. And there's the E, expanded E, hit OK. And let's see if that one worked out. That one worked out fine. All right. All right, so center it up, and then you'll save the drawing as save this file as master title block. You can fill out as much information as you want on the title blocks, and you'll be all set to start the drawings. So that's how you set up the master title block for Civil 3D 1430. Hopefully that was helpful, and as always, email me with any questions on that. All right, talk to you soon.